little bit more. I'm leaving home, gotta go. So much to see, my destiny. Came from God, now I cry. The memories can run from me. Hard living your life, my life was my home. Far going away by stepping both foot on the floor. I'm feeling lonely till the morning when it's dawn. Sometimes feel like it's all gone, but I know I gotta move on. Why? Just a little bit more. Memories can
day I woke up, realized that I should be a dancer. Never done it in my life, but who cares? I can feel the energies flowing right through my veins. Used to be so shy, never questioned why. As a snail, I lived in my own shell, lived in my own shell. Then I saw this thing on the internet. It told me to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal when you get to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal when you get to go. Think I got it. Easy as the brush of the shyness. It's my time to shine, I've got the moves now. Time to show the world what I can do, show what I can do. Get on a dance floor, eyes on me cause I am like a god, wow. Everyone's in shock, they wanna know how I do it so well, they wanna learn only from my past. Like a hero, I am the center of attention, and the ladies all want to be with me. All that I can say, there is just one way. You have to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal when you get to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal when you get to go.
Baby, please don't freak it out. Changes always need some extra time. Soon you'll be able to fly. But right now enjoy that you have. Sun is bright and shines when it's so fine. Cell phone ring and chime. Your amazing friends, family and pets. When you two slow down, live your life. put on the floor. I'm feeling lonely till the morning when it's dawn. Sometimes feel like it's all gone, but I know I gotta move on. Why? Just a little bit more.
There's no time to cry.